Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT 2025 Chemistry MCQs Part 1F. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. अगर आपको KMU-CAT टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन के लिए MCQs चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. डियर व्यूवर्स, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. शुक्रिया. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें. Which of the characteristics below applies to the amino acid glycine? Option A, optically inactive. B, hydrophilic, basic and charged. Option C, hydrophobic. And option D, hydrophilic, acidic and charged. So the correct option is A, optically inactive. Glycine is achiral and optically inactive. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from a technologist. Dear students, this is very important MCQs. Increased serum alanine during fasting is due to option A, breakdown of muscle proteins. B, decreased utilization of non-essential amino acids. C, leakage of amino acids to plasma. And option D, impaired renal function. So the correct option is A, breakdown of muscle proteins. Explanation is muscle proteolysis releases alanine for gluconeogenesis. The amino acid containing a hydroxy group, option A, glycine, B, isoleucine, C, arginine, and option D, threonine. So the correct option is D, threonine. Threonine has a hydroxyl group in its side chain. So this is very important MCQs. In a galvanic cell, oxidation occurs, option A, anode, B, cathode, C, salt bridge, and option D, electrolytes. So the correct option is A, anode. Explanation is oxidation always occurs at the anode. A neutral amino acid is option A, leucine, B, lysine, C, aspartic acid, and option D, histidine. So the correct option is A, leucine. Leucine has a non-polar neutral side chain at physiological pH. The isoelectric pH of an amino acid is dash pH. Option A, positive charge, B, negative charge, C, no net charge, and option D, all of these. So the correct option is C, no net charge. Explanation is at the isoelectric pH, positive and negative charge balance to zero net charge. The pH of albumin is option A, 3.6, B, 4.7, C, 5.0, and option D, 6.1. So the correct option is B, 4.7. Serum albumin has an isoelectric point around pH is 4.7. So this is very important MCQs. Which of the following gives a positive test for ninhydrin? Option A, reducing sugar, B, triglycerides, C, alpha amino acids, and option D, esters of fats. So the correct option is C, alpha amino acid. Ninhydrin reacts with free alpha amino acid group. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. In many proteins, hydrogen bonding produces a regular coiled arrangement which is called option A beta helix, B alpha helix, C both A and B, and option D spiral. So the correct option is B alpha helix. The alpha helix is common secondary structure. So this is last MCQs. The amino acid that synthesize many hormones. Option A valine, B phenylalanine, C alanine, and option D histidine. So the correct option is B phenylalanine. Explanation is precursor for tyrosine, dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine. Thank you for watching my videos.